It's the 25th of February 2022 and I'm just showing you my friend's greenhouse. So I made this greenhouse and it's got cold frames here at the front, and if I was doing it again I would put some sort of breather holes here so that the hot air from the cold frame, which gets too hot too quickly, can escape into the greenhouse. But I didn't think to do that. And we'll come along here and into the greenhouse. And our temperature right now is, I don't know, 23 degrees. And we have Swiss chard down here. And we've got onions. These are Welsh and Egyptian onions. So walking onions in here, and then Welsh onions up here. There's lettuce, spinach. These are more Welsh onions, and these onions you can eat the flowers on them, so you can break them there at this time and eat the flowers. And here we come to lettuce, some more Swiss chard, cilantro and parsley. So that's what she has in here. And the watering system is via airlift pump. This isn't supposed to happen, but occasionally things go wrong. So it's just got stuck on this. So I just turn that a little, and it won't happen anymore. And anyway, when the water's going, it goes into those, and when it gets high enough, it flips over, and then the water comes down and waters the plants. So you might, there's a one, oh, not quite enough to come out here this time, but it waters the plants all the way along. And then the water, there's plastic on the bottom, 6 mil polythene on the bottom, and the water drains back into the water barrel. I've got a half barrel here and another half barrel here underneath the ground that I dug in. So it all drains back and in there. And as you can see, her plants are doing pretty much magnificently, and right the way around. On the back wall, I have it insulated, so it's almost like the Chinese greenhouses. So the brick here, to do it properly, you should have probably a layer of 2 layers of brick or some sort of cladding on the inside of styrofoam. Forgotten the North American word for it, but insulation on the inside to either on the inside or outside. So if it's on the outside, then this brick wall is mass storage of heat, which might be the better thing to do. But if it's on the inside, then the brick wall is outside the greenhouse thermally, so it won't be causing heat loss. But if it's if the plastic's on the outside, or sorry, if the insulation's on the outside of the wall or between 2 walls, well then the wall is on the inside and it is thermal storage. Anyway, another thing I do here is I have fans up here. You see the fan spinning like crazy down here. It blows air down here into a pipe, and from the pipe the air goes along underneath, and it comes out here cooler. Like I can feel it. It's colder than the rest of the air. It's so what has happened is it has transferred heat to the ground, and this is why her plants are growing so well. It's because the ground underneath is warm and it's wet, or sorry, moist. Anyway, that's it. Thank you. It's the 25th of February. Sorry, a thing I forgot to mention is the shelving. So I put these shelves up, and I think I have them a little bit high. Like, I was kind of guesstimating stuff, so I think I have them a little bit high. So they're about it's how high is that? Just over 4 feet high, I think. I'm not sure the height, but it's a little bit high, and with this greenhouse, with this bed being this small, I think we could have got them down quite a lot lower, and that would make it much easier to put plants on. It's a little bit of an effort to put plants on. Now you can walk on the wall here. It's a little bit high for a step. It's 30 centimeters, but a little bit high for a step, but it's definitely doable. So you can actually step on if you're a shorter person, you can step on the wall to check up on your plants. And I'll just do it here now. Oops. And there we go. So it's toasty warm in here, and that's fine. Then we'll start opening windows as it gets warmer. Thank you very much. Bye bye.